French cars are often associated with style, comfort, and innovation. But when it comes to crash tests, some of them delivered truly shocking results. Today, we are looking at the worst crash test performances ever recorded for French cars. If you enjoy real crash test breakdowns, safety history, and honest results, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. The Renault Twingo first generation from the early 90s to 2000s. This tiny city car earned just 3 stars in its 2003 Euro NCAP test. Next, the Citroen Saxo, a super mini from the late 90s. It scored a dismal 2 stars in 2000. Frontal crash? The steering wheel moved too far, the airbag bottomed out, letting the driver's head hit it, and the body shell collapsed, shrinking survival space. Now, the Citroen Xantia from 1997, which scraped by with only 1 star after adjustments for poor performance. In the frontal test, there was massive structural instability, with excessive intrusion into the footwell and stiff dashboard bits, hammering the driver's knees, thighs, and pelvis. The side impact was a disaster. The driver's head smacked the pillar, and chest protection was so bad it risked life-threatening injuries. Even the steering wheel and brake pedal shifted dangerously. This family car just couldn't hold up under pressure. Moving to the Renault Laguna first generation in 1997, rated at 2 stars. Frontal impact revealed weak cabin integrity, with high risks to the driver's chest and legs from intrusion and hard points. The side test showed inadequate protection for the head and torso, lacking modern reinforcements. It was a step up from some, but still far from safe, highlighting how even larger French sedans of the era had safety blind spots. The Peugeot 106 from 1999 also landed 2 stars. In crash footage, without seatbelts, dummies flew forward. The passenger cracked the windshield and risked decapitation. Even with belts, the compartment held, but protection was minimal for head, chest, and legs due to poor energy absorption and intrusion. It performed okay in minor hits but crumbled in severe ones, proving small cars needed better engineering. The Renault Zoe restyling in 2021, shockingly, it got 0 stars. This electric hatchback flunked across the board. Frontal tests showed weak chest protection for the driver and poor knee safety for the passenger from dashboard hazards. Side pole impact crushed the driver's head area, with no center airbag to prevent occupant clashes. Child protection was awful for necks and heads. Pedestrian pelvis safety was poor. And it lacked key assists like emergency braking or lane keep. A total fail for a car that's supposed to be future-proof. The Dacia Spring 2021, a budget EV under the Renault umbrella, earning just 1 star. Adult occupant protection was only 49%, with weak chest and head safeguards in frontal and side crashes. The structure deformed badly, offering marginal whiplash prevention and no advanced braking for pedestrians or cyclists. Child seats fared slightly better at 56%, but overall, its cheap build meant skimping on safety tech, making it risky for vulnerable road users at 39%. Finally, the Dacia Sandero and Stepway 3rd generation from 2021 with 2 stars. At 70% for adults, it did okay in frontal offsets but weak in full-width barriers for rear passengers' chests. Side impacts showed marginal protection without side airbags standard. Child safety hit 72%, but pedestrian detection was poor at 41%. And safety assists like AEB were basic at 42%. It's affordable, but corners cut on active safety drag it down. French manufacturers have proven they can build safe cars. But these models show what happens when safety is not the priority.